Hello everyone, just got these two radios from Retevis. This is model C22. This is the same model as C62, but for Russian market. All menu, and when you push some button, let's push the flashlight. This radio is speaking in Russian language. Let's check this radio closely. Just got this beautiful box. Inside the box we can see the Russian version of the radio, Retevis C22. On top of this stuff we can find the user manual, Retevis C22. Radio itself. On top of the radio we can find the volume knob with flashlight and SMA male connector, antenna, dual band antenna, 136, 174, 400, 480 MHz. SMA female connector. This antenna works on two bands. Let's check each of them. The antenna works pretty good on the 2 meters band. Let's check 70 centimeters. Also, this antenna works good on the 70 centimeters band too. This radio has big color screen, keyboard on the right side, port for programming data cable, and USB-C port for charging this radio. On the left side, PTT button and functional button. Now let's disconnect the battery. Here you can see the frequency bands of the radio and capacity of the battery, 2000 milliamps. Also in the box we can find the charger for charging the radio, USB-C cable and additional things. This radio can be charged by this charging station. Just plug in the radio or the battery. Also you can charge the radio using USB-C port. Let's see. In this case we can go to some settings and turn on 7.9 volts or 8 volts. If we unplug we see the 7.8. Just let's plug in. Yeah, let's charge this radio using desktop charging station. When the radio is charging, you can see this sign. If you'd like to compare with ISO XXR, I mean size of these radios, you can see the difference. The color screen is pretty good. If you'd like to see on the screen in the different angles, all information is available. If you'd like to switch to the VFO mode, just press this button. It's easy to switch between channel mode and V4 mode. In the V4 mode, you can select any frequencies which you want. This radio has flashlight. Let's check the microphone and speaker of the radio.
Testing, audio, Retevis C22. Testing, microphone and speaker.
Let's disassemble this radio. Unscrew the antenna, detach the battery, unscrew 2 bolts and these 2 rings. Open the case, detach. Let's see closely. This BK1080 FM radio. Let's go further. Next, you should just pull this small thing on the screen. The second one right here, you should do the same, maybe push from here, right here, but you should be more accurate because a lot of things under the screen. And the second one I get using the same, just pull from right here and I got it. Let's unscrew a lot of bolts and see what on the opposite side of the circuit board. Now let's see what we have right here. Let's see closely. Transistors H0606E, 70 centimeters and 2 meters band. Works separately. Let's see what this right here we can see the BK4819. This without any digits. Also, FM radio is available, and this radio just hold this button, FM radio. You can select some frequencies or program some channels. 106, press 1061. All is working good. This radio in Russian language. We can see a lot of functionalities. Sound, Roger, DTMF, button assignment, functionality assignment on the functional buttons. We can assign some functionalities to this one, second one, and third button. Let's check the maximum transmission power and minimum transmission power. Currently low power on 2 meters, 0.5. Let's check the minimum transmission power on 70 centimeters band, 0.19. Let's turn on maximum transmission power on the 70 centimeters band, around 5 watts, and maximum transmission power on 2 meters band, 4.6 watts. Now let's check some harmonics on 2 meters band. Let's check 70 centimeters band. On the 70 centimeters band, the spectrum looks like this. Let's check the functionality of the frequency measure. Currently I'm transmitting on the VX6R. The frequency was catched. Testing. All is working good. Thank you very much for watching this video. I like these two radios. It's really good devices. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.